What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 series left without the latest Exynos 2200 SoC. All Samsung S22 models will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 SoC in all regions, including the US, Europe and Asia. According to a former Samsung employee named Super Roder, the South Korean company recently decided to completely abandon the use of the Exynos 2200 SoC in the Galaxy S22 smartphones. All Samsung Galaxy S22 models will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 SoC. Resource Let's Go Digital confirms that the information is believable. Prior to that, for some time there were rumors that Samsung would use the Exynos 2200 only in some countries and in a small volume than usual. However, it is now reported that the Exynos 2200 single-chip systems have experienced such serious problems that Samsung has completely abandoned their use in the Galaxy S22 series. For many, this will, of course, be a disappointment. What kind of problems we are talking about is still unclear. Perhaps we are talking about the still low percentage of the output of high-quality products, or the manufacturer simply does not have time to organize a large-scale production of products in order to provide Samsung with the required number of microcircuits. Samsung has already announced that it will be the first SoC with AMD's 6-core GPU to support ray tracing technology. The results of the first test look promising. According to the latest reports, Samsung decided not to release the Galaxy S22 series in January. The same source claims that the Galaxy S22 smartphones will be announced on February 8th. This is consistent with the data of John Prosser. Renowned insider John Prosser continues to piss off Samsung. Yesterday he published live photos of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it should be noted the company chose the best design for the main camera for its flagship, and today revealed the launch date for the Galaxy S22 line. According to John Prosser, pre-order for the Galaxy S22 will open on February 8. Retail sales will start exactly 10 days later, on February 18. According to rumors, mass production of components for the Galaxy S22 has already begun, and the official premiere of the company's new flagships will take place apparently at the end of January. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to have a 5000 mAh battery. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.